Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install app called Google Opinion Rewards. So first thing first, open App Store on your iPhone, then click on the search bar right here, then type rewards, then click on the search button right here, then you'll find the app. So make sure that you use region that supported Google Opinion Rewards. So it's basically the United States and some other countries. I use United States region for my Apple ID, so you have to use same region to get the app. So after, just click install, then after all click open, and now we'll see the app. Just give me a second. So there will you see your surveys. Also, they get receipt task. You can get some money from your receipt. Just upload your receipt or forward your receipts from your email if you buy something online. So for all time I get $11.30 my total rewards from Google Opinion Rewards program. I completed 59 surveys, 5 payouts, and 4 receipt tasks. So guys, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe for more.